How to see liked posts on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have liked a post, a photo or a video, and maybe you want to review that photo or video and you are not able to find it. So in order to do that, you have to go to your Instagram app, go to your profile, and then from here you have to click on those three lines from the right up corner. Then click on your activity. And then you have to go to interactions, where it says review and delete likes, comments, and your other interactions. Click on that, and then you have to go to likes, which is the second option. And here you will find your liked photos, videos. So in order to demonstrate you that I liked this post recently, I will go to my homepage and then I will like some posts. Like this one, for example, from Bioderma, and this one from Google Ads. And now let's go once again on my profile. Click on those three lines, click on your activity, go to interactions, and then click on likes. And here, as you can see, we have all the likes here, Google Ads, and Bioderma. So here are all the posts and videos that you've liked. If this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can turn on the notification bell because I will post some other videos soon, some other tutorials, and you can also comment in the comment section down below with your thoughts, with your questions, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.